welcome back to my magical world of maths. Today we are going to learn how to multiply the number 4 digit into 4 digit by using crisscross method. Let us see. See the question. 1013 multiplied by 1213. Okay. So how to use the crisscross method? Just I'll write the pattern here. 4 numbers we have like this. Just I'll take these 4 dots as 4 numbers. So I'll show the pattern. First, multiply these two, means the units and units. These two, 3 into 3, 9. Okay. And in the second step, 4 numbers are there like this. First, you have multiplied units. Now we are multiplying units and tens. Units and tens. Okay. So 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 into 1, that is 6. And add it. 3 plus 3. That is 6. Then see the next pattern. We have 3, 4 numbers like this. We multiplied units place. Then we multiplied units and tens. Now we are taking units, tens and hundreds. Multiply units and hundreds. Units and hundreds. Tens and tens. So in this type of pattern, by using this we have to multiply units and tens. See, units and hundreds. 3 into 0, that is 3. 3 into 2, 0 plus 6, that is 6. 1 into 1, 1, that is 7. Okay. Now see the fourth step. 3, 4 digits like this. And 4 digits in the questions like this. Units over, tens over, hundreds till hundreds we are done. Take now all the 4 numbers. Multiply these diagonals. Diagonal, there's also diagonal, and this. Okay, see. 3 into 3, 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 into 2, 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1 into 0, 0. So that is 8. Okay. Now let us see the fifth step. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Units, tens, hundreds, and all the numbers over. Once you complete all the numbers, leave this units place. Now multiply the rest of the numbers like this. See the pattern? Okay, leave this units. Multiply 1 into 1, that is 1. 1 into 1, that is 1, that is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, that is 2 itself. Now see the next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 numbers like this. Units you left in the previous, now leave this tens. What is remaining? Hundreds and thousands. Okay, now multiply like this in the given sum. Leave units, tens, take only hundreds and thousands. 0 into 1, that is 0. 2 into 2, 2 into 1, that is 2. And the last step I'm going to write here, the seventh one. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Units is over. Tens is over. Leave even hundreds. Only multiply this. Thousands. 1 into 1, 1. So the answer is 12,28,769. Like this, we can write it in only one step. Before that, what we have to do? We have to know this pattern. What we are doing? See here only one digit, taking only units. Take units and tens. Here units, tens and hundreds. Here units, tens, 100, 1000. Cross multiplication and addition. And also after this, all the numbers are over. Leave units place. Multiply rest of the number according to the pattern. Leave units and tens. Multiply the rest of the numbers according to the pattern. And in the next, leave units, tens, hundreds, and only 1000 you have to multiply according to the pattern. So if you know the pattern, easily you can do this. So this is how we are going to multiply 4-digit and 4-digit numbers in only one line answer. This is the method